This video will demonstrate the use of special tool vacuum pump gauge. This special tool is used to inspect various components or systems operated by vacuum. With the help of this tool, we can create vacuum and apply it as needed for inspection. This video will demonstrate the use of this tool for on-vehicle inspection of variable geometry turbocharger. Using vacuum pump gauge. To inspect the variable geometry turbocharger, disconnect its vacuum pipe from the boost pressure solenoid side. Connect the special tool to the disconnected vacuum hose using an attachment. Connect the SDT to the vehicle. Start the engine and increase the engine speed to 3500 RPM by depressing the accelerator pedal. Simultaneously, observe the boost pressure reading on the SDT, which will not increase with the increase of RPM. Maintain the RPM at that level. Using the special tool, apply vacuum to the turbocharger. As soon as sufficient vacuum is applied, engine RPM increases further. This condition indicates that the turbocharger is working properly. If the engine RPM does not increase after applying vacuum, then the further diagnosis should be carried out by referring to the service manual of the vehicle. Advantages and benefits. This special tool helps in easy and quick inspection of various components and systems operated by vacuum without removing them from the vehicle. This results in accurate diagnosis and reduces time to complete the job.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.